A great gift for the creative people you know is a subscription to the Spirited Man Patreon. I'll tell you about it after. Most of us start from the box, and we do what we can. But imagine Martha starting from the box. No f***ing way. The greats begin with flour. From scratch. From scratch is a racing term. It means to start from the scratch in the dirt, the starting line, as opposed to a head start. The box is a head start. From scratch is the whole bloody race. From scratch is a place of honor. The rules. Your house must include gingerbread. Your house must include icing. Keep the size within an 18-inch square footprint, 24-inch height maximum. Have fun. Ribbons will be awarded in lots of categories, so get creative. Okay. The boy is the architect. It's the boy's architectural design. It's the boy's gingerbread house the same way it's Frank Gehry's Disney concert hall, even though Turner Construction Obayashi Corp. built it. It may be the boy's architectural design, but Isabel sure as shit built the gingerbread house. And the construction process was full of tripwires. Tripwires that would have gotten most of us. Just look at this thing. A curved, slanty kid hand. The lines are supposed to be white. The boy said he wanted the lines white, but he didn't have white pen. Also, no snowdrips. Don't worry, this isn't the original drawing.
I was like, it's going to look exactly like your drawing. He's probably going to maybe be a little nice to me. He's like, no, it's got to be nice. Not this.
To render the walls and roof, Isabel deployed 3D modeling software. Computers. Yuck. Then the templates, then the forms. The forms would have stopped me. Elmer's glue. That takes guts. And brains. The forms give us the curved sides. Paper ignites at 451 degrees F. Gingerbread cooks at 350. Molasses, eggs, flour, etc. Dough, templates, razors. Yes, but isn't the dough going to shrink and crack when you bake it? Few of us would have figured this one out. Use raw sugar as hot glue.
Or it looks like syrup and a neck pillow.
Basically turns to cement when it cools. And it cools pretty fast, unlike that frosting crap which takes overnight to dry. This is not wood. This is not cardboard. This is not foam core. This is gingerbread. Fragile as frost. Dear God, please don't let it break before we get to the contest.
What do you think? Does it look like a drawing?
Yeah, it really does.
This is so fun. Okay.
It's like Stanley Kubrick transporting the dailies.
What do you think? I had anticipated a panel of judges, sophisticated art school educated judges, but it turned out the people would be our judge. The children, the fickle, swifty, rainbows and unicorns children. It was definitely not a lock. Let's put it that way. Isabel said she didn't care, she just wanted to have fun. Yeah, well, what about winning? Winning is pretty fun.
Yes, that's my handwriting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 categories.
The ballot. Most creative, most colorful, best theme, best architectural design, most delicious looking, overall favorite. Best architectural design. That's the one to win. The whole thing is architectural design. It's a house building contest. House, architecture, Frank Gehry.
The ballots. I want to say something. I want to protect the poll workers. They're being harassed by many little children.
I am going to announce the different winners for the gingerbread contest. For the most creative gingerbread house.
We're number 6. We're number 6.
4. Who made number 4? Come on up on stage. For most colorful gingerbread house, it is number 9. All right. For the best themed gingerbread house, who has number 3? Okay, now for the best architectural design, number 6. Who is number 6? Who? Oh. All right, come on up for your son, baby. All right, number 6. I'm gonna put him away.
It's all kids and then Isabel.
All right.
Thank you for your support. She won.
We were high for a week. The entire family, this entire week. Happy holidays, everyone. The Spirited Man Patreon is full of goodies like live streams, exclusive videos, and it's the best way to get in contact with me. I answer nearly all of the direct messages. In fact, one of my patrons, Andrew Laura, asked me for a favor. High school kid from Connecticut making very thoughtful and very well-made YouTube videos. Thank you for your patronage, Andrew, and thanks patrons for supporting this channel this year. And don't ask me to promote your channel. That's a special treat only for Andrew. He thought of it first and had the guts to ask me first. Here's how you gift it. Sign up from this link or the link in the description. Write down the username and password you create for your giftee and give it to them on a card or whatever. Then they just sign in. Happy holidays, everybody.